If you're planning a trip to Sydney and considering staying at Hotel Indigo Sydney Potts Point, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you around the room, the location, and what else you'll find staying at this beautiful hotel. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, on a trip to Sydney, we stayed at Hotel Indigo in Potts Point. We chose this hotel for its great location, it included parking, and it was also pet-friendly. Upon arriving at the hotel, I was very pleasantly surprised at how stylish the initial interior looked. It was modern and fresh, and there was even a cute popcorn station as well in the lobby. We were checked in very quickly, then we headed up to our room. We stayed in one of the pet-friendly rooms, but honestly, you wouldn't know it was pet-friendly. It was so modern and beautifully designed. The bathroom was so sleek, had great pops of colours, and it was stocked with extra toiletries as well. Plus, I loved that it had a waterfall shower head. Opposite the bathroom was a small storage area, which had a torchlight, hairdryer, robes, a scale, and a safe. I also love the area that they created for our pup, Winston. He knew that area was set up for him straight away. The room also had a large bed in the center of the room, which I can confirm was very comfortable. There were areas to sit around the room. We also found a fully stocked coffee station, and there was a mini fridge as well. But the best part of this room was our huge private balcony, which had great views. Breakfast wasn't included in our stay, but there was a small cafe downstairs where you can grab a bite. The hotel is in a fantastic location though. There were plenty of cafes and restaurants around, plus you were a short walk from the harbour as well, where you could get a ferry across Sydney. We only stayed one night at Hotel Indigo in Potts Point, but we absolutely loved our stay. The hotel was modern, pet-friendly, and perfectly located for exploring Sydney. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at Hotel Indigo in Sydney. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.